So does that mean she's coming or not coming?
No, they're not coming. What's the name of this restaurant?
Ocean View Bar and Grill.
Harbour
Ocean View.
Bar and Grill.
Harbour Ocean View Bar and Grill. That's
No
where
view.
we are.
No view.
Harbour Ocean Bar and Grill.
Who cares? We can put a view in for goodness
is
sake.
for
It doesn't have to
YouTube.
be perfect.
This is it.
Anyway.
This is not your place.
And look at that. Behind us,
not your place.
it's called the Disney Wonder. Beautiful shack, massive.
Get your own.
Love it. I've never seen that beautiful Disney Wonder. Beautiful decorations on it. Gold.
And I don't know what that other one is, but
There's another ship along there as well. We don't know what that's called. We're in here to check out this view where we are having our lunch.
Christmas family.
Yeah, Christmas family lunch before our bro goes back. And it's just us. I thought Gabby was going to join us. Gabby, sorry you missed out, mate.
And Brett. And take
And
Brett.
Brett.
Yeah.
Sarah, you guys could have been here with us. We would have all had a great time. See, there's 3 seats here. There's 3 seats. 3 seats available for you guys. Anyway, we'll wait for our meals and then I'll check another video.
Well, it's a good thing we have to walk back to the car. With our food.
Wow, yeah.
This is better from taking the photo this way because the light's coming to you. See how bright it is? Yeah. But we wanted to capture the view, eh? This is us siblings having our Christmas party. Catch you later.